What's up? How we doing, guys? All right. Well, those of you guys who, I don't know what setup you're using for your trading, this morning has been a disaster as far as copy trader connection. There has been zero trading thus far because my copy trader won't connect. And I'm pissed. So let's see if we can get it sorted out here while I'm live. You can see that the position window, the open P&L, baby, it's just a big red screen. And it will not connect. But my Ninja Trader, my Rhythmic, my actual stream, I'm fucking live right now, as you can see. The internet connection is fine. The copy trader is not. So we're having issues. Is anybody else having? Yep, same thing. I've heard from a few other people who are having the same problem. I figured I could get it sorted out. I came in. I tried for quite a while. I restarted Ninja Trader about 4 times. I've reloaded the script about 15 times, and it's not working. So, I don't know, man. I guess, I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit nervous to just trade the leader account in case there's something going on in the back end. But I should be fine, I guess, to just trade the leader with 1 mini, right? I mean, is it even worth it, though, is the question. So, I don't know. Let's see if they can get it sorted out. I'll try periodically here to reload the script. And we'll see if it gets sorted out. I guess aside from that, I don't know, man. I could trade the leader account. I don't even know if it's worth the risk. But let's go live and hang out. It'll get fixed here eventually, and then we can get back to normal. Some half reasonable price action so far today. So what's up? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are making lots of money while I'm fucking sidelined here. Lucky bastards. Minute 45 out. Yeah, I mean, my take profit, my apex, all the accounts are connected just fine. It is just the copy trader that won't connect. You know, I had the same issue, by the way, I don't know, maybe a month ago. And it eventually just sorted itself out. I don't know if they... I don't know if they restarted the servers or something, but it's not, I guess, something I haven't done. Is check the Affordable Indicators site for an update, though I just updated this less than a month ago. I don't know, I mean 50 seconds out. If this thing fixed itself right now, wouldn't that be nice? Oh, come on, don't do this to me. That's a reasonable setup if it can hold. Yeah, a bit of a shrinking body, bit of a wick. As long as I don't see some A++ continuation, I'm okay. Oh. All right. I'll check for updates. Yeah, I think this is an Affordable Indicators issue. Their site's not even working. Damn. They're taking forever to load. R17, shrinking bare body, bit of a wick on the low. It's not a, it's not a bad setup per se, but it's not A++, dude. To say a setup is A+, my standards are extraordinarily high. It better be the cleanest thing I've ever seen. Some of you guys, I think, are a little too loosey with your grading scale. That is not A++. But it's reasonable. There's nothing necessarily wrong with it. And by the way, just because a setup is not A+ doesn't mean it's not reasonable. But I do not take anything less than B- in a funded. Oh, man. Okay, so... Alright. Those of you guys who don't know, you're looking at NinjaTrader. I use NinjaTrader to execute. I connect take profit accounts with Tradeovate. I connect Apex accounts with Rhythmic. And then to trade all of it at once, I use the Affordable Indicators Copy Trader. Now, the Copy Trader is, well, I mean, arguably one of the most important tools. They're all important, but... And the Copy Trader is down. Who else uses this? Is anybody using the Affordable Indicators Copy Trader and not having problems? That's a good question. Let's start there. Nah, Brandon, I don't have one. I'm maxed out. I'm maxed out on accounts. It doesn't require a website. It's native inside of Ninja. I'm looking at the website for an update or something. Yeah, okay, so those of you guys who don't know this, like servers and data providers in the financial industry, in the trading industry, this was a big thing in like 2021. A lot of people would be seeing like price discrepancies on a particular, stock or contract or whatever, and it would be wrong and it was a glitch. And they'd be comparing on Twitter. They'd be like, oh, it's on Webull too. And they'd be like, oh, here it is on Robinhood. Yeah, that's because, like, there's only a few places for these brokers to go to get the data. So when the top of that pyramid goes out, it trickles down to a whole bunch of spots. So again, I doubt this is just an affordable indicators issue. This is probably some big provider who none of us have ever heard of who's down this morning, and it's trickling out to a whole bunch of people or a whole bunch of smaller companies that get their data from that provider. I don't know, but we're gonna keep trying, man. Okay, for a 50K Apex account, I trade between 3 and 5 micros. No, you don't have to listen. Do whatever you want. You're a grown man. But that makes, for me, the math look the best as far as getting to payouts on average within that 8-day payout requirement as consistently as possible. 3 to 5 micros on a 50K Apex account. What most people do is they start trading 3 to 5 minis and then wonder why they keep blowing the fuck up. You're trading too big, big dog. Size down. You will make more money. And isn't that the point? The point is not to trade 5 minis. The point is to fucking make money. No one cares. You know, if you're making money, your family doesn't give a shit if you're trading 4 micros or if you're trading 8 minis. They're not like, oh, it's great that you made, you know, 10,000 this month, 50,000 this month, 100,000 this month. That's great. But, you know, oh, I wish I was married to a real man who traded 8 minis. Like, no one says that. They don't give a shit. They're like, cool, you provided for us. Thank you. Thank you for working so hard. 35 seconds out. All right, I want to get a feel for how widespread this is. Again, I've had a few people say, hey, same issue here. Not just copy traders, everything, all of your tech, all of your stuff this morning for trading. Who's having issues? Who's having issues with anything? Or is it just me? Rub it in, guys. Appreciate that. Thank you. All right, you know what I think I gotta do? Hang on, check something. I think I saw... But affordable indicators came out with another update since the last update, and I didn't think it was relevant to me. All right, I'll tell you guys what. Here's how this is gonna go. I gotta hop off. Hang on. I gotta hop off, update everything. I'll come back when this is solved. We'll trade, and we'll do some account giveaways. I'll make it up to you. We'll give away some accounts. How does that sound? Let's do that. But no sense sitting here while nothing's working, because we've got money to make, and I'm pissed! So let's get this thing fixed, and then I will come back, we'll trade, we'll make 80,000, and then give away some accounts. Sound good? All right, I'll see you soon. Be right back. Hopefully, I'll be right back.